In the world of React Native, choosing the right state management library is one of the most important architectural decisions you'll make. With so many options out there, Redux Toolkit, Recoil, Zustand, and Jotai, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Each one offers a different approach to managing app state, and your choice will shape how you scale, structure, and maintain your app. Let's begin with Redux Toolkit. It's the official, modern way to write Redux, with helpers like create_slice and create_async-heavy. It simplifies boilerplate while giving you full control over middleware, action types, and debugging tools. Redux Toolkit shines in large applications where predictability, centralization, and team workflows matter. But even with these improvements, it can still feel a bit heavy compared to newer libraries. Recoil, developed by Facebook, introduces a fresh way to think about state. Instead of a global store, it uses atoms and selectors, small, focused pieces of state. Recoil allows you to scope state per component and derive complex values without creating unnecessary re-renders. It's perfect for dynamic interfaces, but since it's still experimental in some areas, you might find tooling and middleware support less mature than Redux. Now let's talk about Zustand. If Redux feels like enterprise-level machinery, Zustand feels like a pocket knife. It's lightweight, hook-based, and requires no provider. You define your state using plain functions, making it ideal for local or feature-specific state. Zustand is lightning fast, with minimal re-renders thanks to shallow comparisons. It's a go-to choice for lean apps or individual modules within a larger system. Then we have Jotai, an atomic state manager like Recoil, but even more minimal. You define state as primitive atoms and compose them to build complex behavior. Jotai supports async atoms, memoization, and works seamlessly with React suspense. It's intuitive, flexible, and great for cases where you need isolated yet reactive state, like chat interfaces, modals, or media controls. When it comes to scalability, Redux Toolkit still leads the pack. It's robust, strict, and has proven patterns for large-scale apps and teams. Zustand and Jotai offer more developer freedom, but require manual discipline. Recoil fits nicely in the middle. It supports modularity and derived state, but doesn't enforce structure the way Redux does. Your app's size and complexity should guide your choice. From a performance standpoint, Zustand usually outperforms the rest. It avoids unnecessary re-renders and keeps your components snappy. Jotai comes close with smart atom-level updates. Recoil is efficient when selectors are tuned well. Redux can be highly performant too, but only if you're careful with memoization, selectors, and avoid unnecessary state bloat. Let's break it down with use cases. If you're building a large e-commerce platform, go with Redux Toolkit. Its strict structure and debugging tools are a lifesaver. For apps with lots of isolated UI elements, like a social media feed, Recoil works beautifully. For small productivity tools like note apps or task managers, Zustand is fast and frictionless. And for async-heavy features like chat clients or streaming apps, Jotai offers low setup reactivity. Also consider your team. Redux Toolkit is great for teams with formal processes and back-end coordination. Zustand and Jotai are fantastic for solo developers or small, agile teams. Recoil is best when your app's component structure closely maps to your state structure. In terms of learning curve, Zustand and Jotai are the easiest to pick up, while Redux is the most structured and Recoil the most conceptual. So what's the final verdict? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Redux gives you power and scale. Zustand gives you speed and simplicity. Recoil offers reactivity with structure. And Jotai provides minimalism with async-first thinking. Choose what fits your app's scale, your team's workflow, and your personal coding philosophy. If you'd like to see a real-world implementation of all 4 libraries, side by side, drop a comment below. We'll walk through the same app built with each one and compare performance, code structure, and developer experience. Until then, code smart, stay reactive, and keep building. You've got this.